Alright, quick little job. Customer wanted me to change this out for him, so I'm doing it. That's not right. 11/16. Yeah, nice. 5/8 on one side, 11/16 on the other side. Oh, it's got pads on it. No spiders, no spiders. Please, no spiders. Holy moly, it's hot out here. Come on. Give it back. Please. Crackers. Go vertical. Looks like vertical. Vertical on this, please. Ouch. Okay. That's in. Lock washer. Lock washer. Vertical. Vertical. 16ths. Good. Good. Good and tight. Throw this away for him. And I'll retrieve my tools. Ow, that's. Wow, it's hot. Alright, this job's done. New coupler. We are back at the tandem axle JLG I did probably a couple weeks now. I finally got a new LED light for him, and I have a flat ratcheting wrench. Am I going the right way? Righty tighty. I'm going the wrong way. That's a Hornet. That's probably why there was Hornet spray on the front of this trailer. I'll have to run for it if I stir up too many of them. Oh, okay, that was just a hello, Mr. Hornet. Please don't sting me. Come on. This is way easier than the first time I tried to do this. Oh, they're going there. Hit that with Hornet murder stuff. Oh, this is just a little bit. Hopefully that stops them from coming out there. They might come out the other end and get me, but I ain't got it. Yeah, it's amazing when you have the right tools. Life's easy. Okay, I got the wires wired up. There's shrink wrap and butt connectors. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap. License plate is pointing the correct way. That's gonna run underneath. Light is on and installed. I got good left turn. I got good right turn. I got good marker lights. We are good on both sides. Everything's working. And I'm working on that gooseneck that I needed to come back and swap out those lights. I am swapping lights out. Oh, I need to see if they work. Tail lights. Tail lights are on. Right turn. Come on, right turn. Right turn is on and working. Perfect. Tuck it back in. Lights on the back work. Marker lights work. I'm gonna go to the driver's side. And driver's side's on. I got good marker lights. I got good left turn. Well, it's just the lights. Try again. Left turn's good. Marker lights are good. Good. I need to put a breakaway on this trailer. Oh, is that 7/16? It is. I just got the wrong tool. That bolt is off. That bolt is off. I'm pretty sure this is the same breakaway that came off of it, so it should match up perfectly. Cut that. Past me, just cut the wires instead of taking it out of the terminal box. I love past me. And installing breakaway is not the same one. Oh yeah, yes it is. Just goes in the middle. Maybe these holes not big enough. I gotta drill these out. I gotta drill new holes. This box is bigger than the other one, but I'm going to just use the centers and then mark them with this. Good, roughly center. Good, roughly center on that. And drill. That one's drilled. And top, please. Drilled, perfect. Breakaway's in. I don't know if you can see the yellow, but it's charging. So 12 volts working. All wires are good. I'm going to shrink wrap it. This is all done and installed. I'm zip tying the wires so it's clean. All shrunk wrap. All wiring's correct. It is charging off the plug. So I can check all of his trailers off my list. Well, not really actually. I need to go. He's got 2 more drop deck trailers I need to put new lights on the rear. I got some lights, but I don't think they're here. I think they might be on a job site. But for now, everything's good. Put that light that I need to put on that tandem axle. I got both these 6-inch ovals on here. Now the lights are working, left turn, right turn. New breakaway kit's on there. He's good. I put that coupler on his farm trailer. Everything's good, and I'm on to the next.